Right, so I have a chemical equation up above, something that we did in lab quite a few times. We took some magnesium strip of metal, added it to some hydrochloric acid dissolved in water, and then we saw the formation of hydrogen gas, and then, of course, magnesium chloride in solution. And so this is a case where you might want to know how much magnesium do you have? How much HCl do you have? That way you can, get them in the right ratios. In labs, a lot of times these numbers are given for you because we're still learning. But if you were to get a job in a lab setting, right, you'd have to calculate and know all of these numbers yourselves. So for example, a question might be how many moles of HCl in 12.0 mLs of a 6.00 molar solution? So think about what you've got here. You've got this 12.0 ml. That's the thing that's not a conversion unit. And then you've got 6.0 molar or 6.00 molar. Remember, that means 6.00 moles of whatever you're talking about, in this case, HCl, over 1 liter of solution, right? So generally, it's always a good idea to start with a thing that's not a conversion unit. You don't necessarily have to. You can get to the same place by not doing it. It just makes your life a little bit easier. So I'm at 12.0 ml. I see in order to use my molar unit, I'm going to need to be in liters. So I'll go ahead and convert into liters. And then after I'm in liters, then I can use my concentration, right? ML and ML cancel out. Then I use 6.00 moles over 1 liter. Liters and liters cancel out. You're left at 0.0720 moles of HCl, right? Relatively simple answer. You can ask other questions as well. For example, how many grams do you then have? In order to go from moles to grams, we need to know the molar mass. So that's something that you would use your periodic table or Google for. Google tells me 36.458 grams per mole. And then I do the same exact conversion that I did up here. And then I just add one more step, right? We just go from moles to grams. Moles and moles would cancel out, and then I'd figure out, oh, I have 2.62 grams. So if I did want to make the solution, I would know how much HCl I needed to add.